Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm really sorry I haven't put anything on in forever. I just keep forgetting to basically upload, but I have got quite a few sets of nails recorded, so I'm going to try and get them up over the next few weeks for you guys. So we'll start by putting this set on. So these are holiday nails, which I did about 2 months ago. So I'm just gonna talk you through what we did. So as you can see, I've already prepped and everything, applied tips. Which tips I use are the matte square tips from Glitterbels. I've applied dehydrator, primer, a clear base, and then I've come in with colours. So the orange colour that I put down first, that is Lava Lamp. And then the glitter I went in over the top, that's just Broken Gold. So it's a really simple, easy set, yeah, for my client's holiday. So this one is going to be an ombre with just like a glitter swirl over the top. So again, coming in with Lava Lamp, blending that back, and then I come in now with, I think I used Plush Cover. I'm not 100% sure because, like I said, I did these nails a couple of months ago, but any of the cover powders will look absolutely fine. So just coming in now with Broken Gold again and just doing a little swirl over that nail. So this middle finger is just a full plain nail of a Lava Lamp. I do come in at the end and just apply a few Swarovski crystals, which I have left in as well, so you guys can see how I put those on. But like I said, it's a really easy, simple set today. I apologise for the camera being a bit shaky. I do need to get another stand for my phone to go on, but I'm not sure where to get one or which one's a good one. So if anyone knows, just let me know. So this nail is just a little marbly nail, but I am coming in with a bit of glitter over the top, so I'm not too fussed how the marble turns out. But the colours are Lava Lamp, and then the pale orange I think is Coral Kisses or Coral Sunrise. I'll have to double check, and then I'll just leave everything in the description box for you all. But don't forget guys, if you do want to order from Glitterbels, you can use my discount code, which is Shannon, and it will get you some money off. So now I'm just showing you capping the other hand. So as always, I'm using glass slippers to cap with, making sure your apex is in the right place. Then the brush that I'm using is the old style Glitterbels brush, so it's just the size 12. The new glitter brushes are out now, which I flip between both of them. They're both just as good. So if you haven't already, you need to go and check those out because they are beautiful. Right, so I have capped all the nails, filed off camera, and I'm just showing you now how I apply my crystals. So as you can see, I'm just using the tiniest bit of glue. So it's just the Glitterbels base glue. And then I'm coming in and just placing them on with my crystal katana. So after doing this, that's when you want to top coat the nails, but always make sure not to go over the crystals or it will just completely dull the shine. So make sure you go around them. So this is the no wipe top coat. So just a really thin layer and then cure that for 60 seconds. So this is the end of the video, guys, so I'll leave a quick picture at the end as well. So thanks for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.